So we have Anshuman, Suman, and Horia.
Hey everyone.
So Horia is going to demo our AEP platform, which we have built for AT&T. We are at the AT&T Summit, and Anshuman is also going to talk about the ecosystem we are building on top of AT&T AEP. Right.
So first of all, I just wanted to go very quickly through the basic functionality that we have developed for AEP, and then we'll go and demo the extra mile that we went through for this event, meaning the pay-per-view functionality. So the basic functionality that we have developed for AT&T is related not only to the standard guide and integration of the satellite channels, as you can see here, but also, for instance, we have LCI channels, which stand for local content insertion, and all these channels here come through a different source than the satellite. We're going to demo the actual functionality in a bit. Just wanted to show you that. Also, as you can see here, we have support for OTT streaming apps such as Hallmark and Showtime. One important thing to note about Showtime, this is the first time I'm running it on this box. No user password screen. So we have integrated a passwordless authorization for third-party OTT apps. And as you can see, I'll just go to the menu, select movies, and play the first one that's here. Play. Continue, and it starts the stream. And this is also using our solution. Other, let's say, more or less industry standard things are related to customization of the home screen, the welcome message, the logo, the background images, and all that good stuff. I'm not going to spend more time on this. Moving forward to the actual POC that we have developed for this event, we have integrated a pay-per-view solution for our partners and AT&T's partners. As you can see here, some of the items in the guide have this little icon which stands for private content. Whenever you want to go and see such a content, you need to use a companion app. And let me show you here. I have already enabled the companion app on my phone, and it shows whatever it is running right now. When I will select a show that is not in the standard guide, which means an LCI show, sorry, this one, it says open the pay app to unlock this content. As you can see, this is, and I have the same let's say poster art image on the phone as on the set-top box. I'll use the Purist, which acts as a frictionless payment system, and I'll just tap it on the back. I had issues earlier today with the okay, it did work, and automatically it unlocked the channel with a payment being registered under my account in the companion app. Moving forward, we have the same.
Show that one.
Oh, the Purist band. Yeah, this is a simple band that just has an NFC chip on it, and it is tied to an account on a backend system. We're going to show here a bit of the integration with the Salesforce.
You want to talk about it?
Sure. So what you just saw was how the ecosystem and the app works. But what it also does is, if you're an ecosystem player, let's say you're the Dallas Cowboys, you want to keep track of what your season ticket holders are purchasing, right? So we have also built a Salesforce application where you can look at, come in, and register a subscriber. So each subscriber, which in this case is a season ticket holder, they will be assigned a set of wristbands. So now each of these wristbands that are tied to the subscriber, all the transactions that they do can be tracked. So so if I look at, for example, this subscriber, you can look at the transactions that they have done, what has been their purchase across the different categories, and and specifically the last transaction that they have done, what it was for, what kind of stuff they bought. So now you're starting to get a lot of data, and if you want to look at overall basis, you can now aggregate all of the information that is available, and what the spend is, what kind of programs have been purchased within each category of program that has been purchased, who has purchased it. So as a part of the subscriber, we collect some additional data like birth date and all, and based on that we categorize whether somebody is a Gen Z or a baby boomer, and who is spending on what kind of money. The solution also have the ability in the future to do targeted promotions. So we have the whole coupon, subscriber coupon piece, and this can be distributed to the wristband, and then it can be used. So for example, I'm in a Dallas Cowboys game, and I can get a 15% discount for the next half an hour to go and buy something in the concession store. So that's kind of the extension now. As a being part of the ecosystem, now you can have this wristband along with all the associated benefits and the data to do better customer engagement. So that's kind of the overall theme of our demo, and we can go into details if you want.